afternoon. It's this on 12 o'clock here in Kingston, and normally I'll be at Hampton Court. I'm not ready to be there yet. It's a very big day today, and I've got presents. Sheila's presents. Yeah, so basically, really, it's the last thing we need, isn't it? Loud noises. Right, so basically we're going to do a little prank with Sheila. Well, I say it's prank, more of a good prank, a good surprise prank. Time for a game of Lockdown Ginger. So that is a very old name of saying ring a doorbell and run. So what we're going to do is leave presents on Sheila's doorstep, ring the bell, leg it. Basically. But I know Sheila's very clever, and I've tried hiding from her all the time. Apparently she could see me red hair. I just hope he died, so that's going to be very helpful. Not. So like I said, I've got a very, very long, busy day today. I'm going to come here, do some shopping, get a big lunch, and then tonight I'm helping out with the Christmas carols at Hampton Court. Now, the reason why I'm vlogging, doing the Vlogmas now, is we'll see how long it takes to walk Sheila's from here. So this will be fun. She said it wants about 10-15 minutes. So I'm walking not too fast, not too slow, not on pace for me. See how long it takes. And while talking to myself, because normally if I'm going around Sheila to visit her, I have my headphones on, but I'm just dropping off something. So, and it's very, you know, in London when it's noisy. I just picked down for a bit across the road. That'd be good. Right, another the first time I tried to find Sheila's place on my own, I got lost. So what I'm going to do is, I won't show you the outside of her place, because I don't want to keep it private, but all you do, you'll see me run. But I know Sheila's very clever, so she might get it. So what we're going to do is walk up. We are going to go on the outskirts of Kingston. She lives pretty much like me. She lives in the outskirts of town. I won't show you the name of the road for security reasons. So try and think, because there's, like my place, there's lots of different ways of getting there. You go that way, but I'll probably get lost. We went that way once before because she had a bike parked up. We can go down another road, or we can go down another road. So these are the presents I showed you in my last few Christmas hauls, shopping hauls. Christmas hauls? That's a good name. Company hauls. Oh, food. So I'm just gonna look around, show you. Ah, there's a bike shop. This is what you need. We could go down. We can go down this road. Let's go on this road. See how long it takes from here. Excuse me, sorry, thank you. London. Right, what we do is whoop, car coming. Problem with London. Well, I made a few of London. Now this is where it's the long bit. of the journey. Just this long walkway full of houses. I know where I'm going. I know exactly where she is. So what I'll do is drop these, run. So yeah, I am sorry in advance if some of my musicals have been, some of my Vlogmas have been just musicals. So basically, I do things sometimes a day that are not really that exciting. So I thought, I know, this person's musically. So we're now 5 minutes into the walk. I started to as soon as I go off the bus. Let's see how long it takes. We're 5 minutes in and we've only got to this long bit of road. Great. So yeah, yesterday was National Christmas Jumper Day. I would have done that, but I was if I a Disney Christmas jumper, I couldn't find one. So then, and today I'm helping out with Christmas carols. So tonight, so very, very long day. I won't be finishing to about 10 o'clock. Oh, great. I won't be able to get home to about 10 o'clock tonight. It's going to be so fun. So let's. I put the camera down and I go past people. So they think I'm just like crazy talking to a camera. So 7 minutes in and we're still on this long road. Long stretch of pathway. And normally at this point, if I've done my shoeless to visit her, because usually when I do my shoeless, I go and have hot chocolate, watch Disney film, better than goals. But normally I have my headphones on, make it faster. But because I got plenty of time today, I'm not going to be, not need to have to call it till about 4 o'clock. So just taking my time, see how long it takes. And then Sheila also comes on a bike from here. So right now we need to go. This way gets. I have to pause you for a bit there because I need to cross a really dangerous road. There. Had to cross a really dangerous road. Can't really see, but it's quite a dangerous road to cross on. I know where I'm going, trust me. Yeah, we're coming nearby, I think. Yeah, 8 minutes in. Doing good time here. They're coming down, so they think I'm mad. Right. Nearly there, I think. Nearly there. It's quite a good place here, Sheila. There's shops, there's school. No, everything you need really. Church. I think she goes to church, but she's not an atheist, but she just goes to church, like me. Oh god, it's got over there. Everyone's triggered. So I'm gonna have to call earlier this morning. Thank you. Did some family activities that's going on, and found out no, actually wasn't in. She was not in. I was like, oh, God's sake, bought these presents all away. So I thought either I could come back home to my home, drop them off, and wait till Monday, or I can say knock down. Either I can then, sorry, I've crossed the road here, go on Sheila's, drop off, and then since well, I haven't got money to get returned to my place and back. I'm going to take it for a day pass because my bus doesn't accept Oyster cards. So I thought I know, I won't go Kingston anyway, so let's drop it off, let's do the latter and drop it off. Play a game Knockdown Ginger. And that's kind of an offensive name for it, but it's what Mum always says it's called. I don't want to know what it's called now, it's called the doorbell prank. I think it's called now. I seem knackered, but I'm always knackered at walking. Yes, it's a fat joke. And the reason I'm recording that weird angle, my arms are aching. Hang on. There you go. Right, there you go. Oh, flushing away. Yep. Nearly there, I think. This is so weird. I know she's clever, Sheila. She probably expects me. Well, obviously, because my name's on the presents to her. But I don't think she'll expect me to, like, hand deliver them. Like, not quite trick or treat. Fix it, Chris. You have one name. I do believe we are in nearly 15 minutes time. It's gone past 10 minutes. And we are still on this bit stretch of road. And I believe we're nearly there now. This wasn't time how long it takes a normal pace to her place. I don't say house, I say place for some reason. I do, yeah, I do believe we're nearly there. See, this is like, if I was living here, I'll get really lost really easily. Yeah, I think we did there. There's a few more steps. Oh, I don't know how you vloggers do it. Like no dangerous road to cross. There's a couple of skyscrapers in Kingston. Don't you see them there? Once you see those skyscrapers, you'll know you're nearly back. You're near the centre of Kingston. And this photo of rain there, which is not good. That's not what I want. So, yeah, so someone said to me that she's not in, but my friend said she's not in. Like, just because I bought the presents. So I thought, well, I'm working Monday. I could give her Monday, but there could be a chance she might not be in then. And it's raining. Oh, great. This camera is not waterproof at all. Oh no. We're nearly there now. So, hoping it's just a few spits. Nothing too bad. Because I haven't got, didn't say rain today. I haven't got a hood. I haven't got an umbrella. Quite a good thing, but it's a bit windy. So, let's see how this rain goes. And if it stops, hopefully it's just a few spits, then we'll do vlog on my back. Because I'm getting shattered now. And we're so nearly there. We are about the 15-minute mark. I think that's where Maisie works. So, another dangerous road to cross. Why is it Kingston? We just see all these dangerous roads. I can't see the skyscraper anymore. So that means we are nowhere near the middle of Kingston Town Centre. And it's raining. Oh, come on, we are so near there. Just hold up, please. Just a few more minutes. Oh dear, I'm shattered. Should have done some scratches before I'd done this, or at least 8. I know it's a fat joke, but the plan is after this, go to Kingston Town Centre, do some shopping, big lunch, and hopefully go back for about 4 o'clock. It didn't say rain. We are so near there. I just wanted to film me running. That was all. Yes, we're nearly there. Oh, I was there. We're nearly there. Right. There's the main mark to look for when you need to shoot this. We are at 15-minute mark. We've gone past 15-minute mark. Hoping she's at home, not out and about. Don't be caught. And surprise her. That's the deal. Right, dangerous road to cross. What is it at Kingston? All these dangerous roads to cross. It's like they're trying to kill us. So, nearly there. It's starting to rain. So I might not film me walking back. I just wanted to see me run. I was like, I'm good at running. Or hide. I'm not sure if run or hide. I know she is very clever. Just only there. Quite unbelievable. We're just a few steps away, it's starting to rain. Oh, my car's getting wet. 16 minutes. I know it's kind of stalking, but it's a special delivery. Oh, great. This happened. Right. There. Right, so I'm to the name of the road. Yeah, there's so near there. How long was that line for? Oh, right. Be quiet. She's not with me at all. With my loud voice. I don't know where to find. Look at the couches. Do we shut the door again? There's your dog. Dog barking. That's the right way. I'm barking. Blow my cover, I don't know. Yeah. I love the camera. Secret tunnel. God, we just did that. That's the first time playing that game. Lockdown Ginger. Now, I know it'll be clickbait, but not really. I actually did it, so it's not clickbait. Even though it's just like 20 minutes of me talking, it's not like clickbait. Did you hear the doorbell go? Yeah, I did. I heard the door shut. I was like, yes. Okay, sun's coming out. I think it's not raining. Have we done it? Yes, we've done it. Right. So I'm not going to film myself walking back because that took 20 minutes. So thank you much for watching today's Vlogmas. And tomorrow probably be another musically. So I'll see you soon. It's the OK Big Red. Over and out.